Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mink V1. First, you'll need to reach level 50 with your character to unlock the necessary quest. This quest is a multi-stage journey that will test your skills and dedication. Make sure you're prepared for some challenging encounters and puzzles along the way. It's a rewarding process that grants you this powerful item. To begin your journey, locate the Elder NPC in the central hub and accept the Mink's Legacy quest. Your first task involves gathering 15 rare moonlight shards, which drop from enemies in the Enchanted Forest and Shimmering Desert. Next, you must venture into the Whispering Caves to confront and defeat the formidable Shadow Beast. This boss requires strategic combat, so prepare your best abilities. Once you possess Mink V1, you'll immediately notice its benefits, including a 25% speed boost and significantly enhanced agility. To further unlock its potential, seek out 3 ancient runes hidden within the game's most challenging dungeons. These runes are essential for upgrading Mink V1, making it even more powerful. Pairing it with the Swiftness Amulet can truly maximize your movement capabilities. To truly master Mink V1, dedicate some time to practicing your movement techniques. Its speed and agility open up new traversal possibilities. Don't hesitate to join a guild or team up with friends for help with those tougher upgrade material hunts. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.